Hello guys, this is Less98 doing a pack opening, and I'm going to be getting one of the rare play packs because the forwards are out. So let me just set my camera up. So let me just go into the special packs. We'll be spending 1,600 max points for you. I'm looking for an Inform Ronaldo or Inform Rooney. That's half my max points gone already. And yes. Let's see who I got. Reyes, and that's a load of balls. So I got Omri, Mexes, Reyes, someone like Reyes, D'Alexandro, Helton, Abidal, Gonzalez, Fred, Jose Enrique, Martins, and Payet. So let me just store these. Right. Actions. Send to trade file. Send to trade file. I will be filling out my trade file. Why are you playing it with? Oh. Send trade file. And send to trade file. So that's 12 players on the trade file after one pack. Gold. I'll be getting a premium gold jumbo. So yes. Don keeps inviting me. It's not fair. Yes. Please wait while we complete your transaction. I didn't see, but I think it said love crayons. No, it said love run. Now let me just store these contracts. Well. Sentiment to center attacking mid, that'll be useful. Shalcott badge. Duplicate. Alright. So bear with me guys. Ryan Babel. I'm just discard them for the minute. I'm going to be getting a gold players premium. So yes. So I've had some okay players, could have been better. Best player Reyes. Yay. No. Don't know. And I get someone called Bodmer. Jermaine Pennant. Send trade file. A fast Russian? Where have we gone wrong? A fast Russian? And he's white. Oh no. God's sake. Can it get any worse? Robbie Keane. Yes it can. Let's get a premium gold pack. Cause I'm a sexy bugger that deserves to be. Well, I can't answer that one. Why don't you answer that yourself? Yeah. and it's downloaded. So let's see who we get. And we get someone that I've never heard of. And this was a waste of money. What a waste. What is going on, man? Yes, 'cause it's Friday 13th, my friend just said. Thank you very much. But you're not funny, dude. I'm kidding. He's sound. See how many Microsoft points I got left, 'cause like you. I've got 120. Well, after this, I'll have 40 after this. Who did that say? Who did that say? Who did that say? It said someone that I can't pronounce. Concentrate power. Concentrate power. Concentrate power. And discard. Now I've got 40 Microsoft points left. What do I do? Do I get a gold pack? No, because I can't afford it. Do I get a silver pack? Yeah, let's get a silver pack. What's that you say? Silver pack? Did I get a silver pack? Are you ready? It's the last pack. I want Husky. Husky would be brilliant. Husky is the beast. Can I get Husky? Can he be my rare? No, I can't. I can't get Husky. Adam? I'm on my last pack. Or a silver pack. No, I didn't. So that's all we've got time for today. Watch my next episode, which will be in about 2 months. Well, maybe not that long, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.